Should you buy inexpensive headlights off Amazon? Answer is yes. For the price you pay, you can't go wrong with these. My old ones were all faded and yellowed and nasty, and they held water. I drilled holes in the bottom so the water would drain out, but they were just old and I couldn't see well in the dark. So I got these, and these by far are much better than what I had, and I can see in the dark now. For the price you pay, you can't go wrong. These are very nicely priced on Amazon, and there's a link in the description where you can get them. Just make it easy for you. I put it down there. I haven't had any issues with these so far. Install was swift and smooth. You don't need any special tools. You just pop the clips and put the bulbs in, bing bang boom, you're done. In terms of tolerances and fitment, no issues whatsoever. There's no wobbling on these. My old ones, my factory ones, did wobble just from being on there for 19 years. But these are, I can't move them. They're solid and they stay still. They're not going to move around and bother you during the night. Something you might be worried about with these inexpensive headlights is, are they going to hold water? Not these yet, and it has poured around here for about a month, 2 months, and no water in these things. You're probably going to worry about sun fading with these inexpensive headlights. Are they going to fade? Truth be told, I don't know, but they look pretty darn good right now, and for the bit that I've had them, they haven't faded at all. Now, again, that's comparing 19-year-old headlights to 2-month-old headlights, but for the price you pay, again, can't go wrong. Haven't had any issues so far. As you can see, they work really well.